Behind me is one of the bigger valves right here. This is about 900 pounds and it's used for the big oil rigs out in the ocean. This summer, China invited me to visit several of their factories through the Impressions of China, where they took several foreigners from different countries to tour around the Jiangsu province. So I was able to go into some of their factories about manufacturing and also the agriculture. Went to their orchards and things like that. So it's quite interesting for the Impressions of China. They also invited me on stage to share a little bit about my school.
And I'm a computer science teacher, so I'm interested in science and technology.
会对计算机以及一些的高科技产业非常的感兴趣，所以他准备着重的在高科技产业方面多拍一些短视频给他的学生展示。
I shared that I was a computer science teacher and I was interested in science and technology. So they took us on a bus around Nanjing on the first day, and then we took a high-speed train to several other smaller villages and towns around the Jiangsu. In Binghai, we spent several days there. This summer, China invited me inside one of their factories to have a look. Right now we're in a valve factory.
This one just picked up one and put it inside.
So it's
this is like kind of
molding.
Molding. Yeah. Then you go into, because they are connected.
Right.
That's why before you in this, you're going to mold to rust or the surface.
So it takes off.
Yeah, all those things and try to be.
To make it like that. So that's what. Oh, it's in there. I see.
Yeah.
Michael, you see
I
the
know
thing that it's a lathe.
I know it's in.
Lots of robot machines here. It's kind of like their little arms that maybe it's after they make them.
You can see all the machines, Dad.
Yeah, it's a crazy amount of machines. One of the things that I thought interesting was in this big mega factory, the amount of workers. China has 1.4 billion people, but I only saw half a dozen people working on these machines. Most of it was automated.
Those giant. Oh, the assembly one.
Look at how big that is there, Mike. How would they get this thing in there? How do... Oh, they have those big cranes.
Yeah. Yeah, they have these things.
So the track can go anywhere.
Yeah.
This is the main control center where they control all the machinery. You can see all of the cameras and things like that. And they make a wide variety of different valves and that are used on big oil rigs and gas lines all throughout the world. And then they ship it from China, and you can see all the different destinations where they go. 这个公司叫什么？什么名字？你知道？
树林方程嘛，
是苏。
江苏树林方面有些公司。
哦。
你是哪地的？
是加拿大。
加拿大。哦，那你汉语说的蛮好。
还行。
这这么多长时间了
7年。
？7年啊？
7年，对。
那学怎么样？
Thanks for watching. If you like science and technology, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.